Okay. Now, as we said before, we have to take the measure of the radial and of the angular, okay? To take the measure of the radial, we're gonna install the clock here. And to take the measure of the angular, we're gonna install the clock here. Okay? So for that, we're gonna use these ones. So let's start. I only have this. At the laser box, open the laser box, there are more like this. And I need also the Vinay? So, this is finished, okay? What I left this, how I left this distance. If this is all the length, I try to put in to pull the half, okay, to be the same distance to go up and to go down. And later, what I did is to check. First, put it on 0, and then check if it comes to 0. Okay. So it means that now we can start taking the measure. I'm gonna bring the yes. Yes, I saw it.
Now you got the starting mark, right?
Yes, now we start. So,
you put some lines or something to know where to start with? Some lines.
No,
You have this, okay.
So, now we start. For example, this compressor is Horizon 1400, okay? Imagine number of the compressor, that's Omega. This is the number of the order, we don't need it for nothing. CU, type of the gearbox,
Yes.
has to be a plate, what says, what type of
Impossible to shift to two.
yeah.
Just 1 minute. Now
Yeah, I
we can
see. Can you take the first part of the plate?
Full sure.
Yeah. So that's it. Where number is this one, okay, and this is the type. Zero, and in this case the number is gonna be this one. 7, 4, 6, 7, 7, 9,
5, 6,
5,
5.
6, 5. Okay, it's okay. This data doesn't damage the alignment. It's only yes, yes. For now that the guy who made check this alignment, which was the gearbox, which was, but it's okay. So now we are gonna start. Type of the coupling. Renault. Before I check, that's why I know. Also, brand of the coupling, Renault. Type of the coupling, 5.5. I know because I checked it before. If you are on the field and you don't know, you can call or just send a WhatsApp or email. I can let you tell you no. Let you know, okay? So now, diameter of the coupling. This one has gonna be most probably almost the same. 9? Diameter outside. That's it. Exactly the same. 840 millimeters. Okay. Then distance between foot. In this case, the foot of the gearbox. So if we take the foot of the gearbox between the center, 270. It's the same. Exactly the same. Most of the time it's gonna be the same because the gearbox that we use always most of the time is the same. Okay? So 270. Now, distance between the foot of the front and the half of the coupling. Now, to take this measure, I don't have the
Straight edge.
yeah, me falta la
Este.
yeah. So we're gonna do hold this. Ahora, strong, eh? Okay. 290. Okay?
From foot to distance?
To the it's from the foot, from the front foot to the middle of the coupling. So this distance, you need to put a regla and then take the measure.
To this surface, right?
Yes. To this surface because I mean,
The
this
middle
is
is here.
eh?
The middle of the computer
Yes,
is here.
yes. So then x plus y is the sum, and then diameter to the contact, angular contact diameter. We're gonna take the measure later when we put the clock here. Then we take this measure. Okay. So now we know that that Renault says that this coupling has 1.5 on a radial and 0.5 on an angular. So we write here 1.5 and 0.5, okay? At the end, we will work in this one, 0.37 and 0.12. Now we're gonna start taking the measure, okay? Up, down, so 90 degrees, 270, 180, okay? So, we are taking the measure of the radial, okay? As I told you, eh,
But just as a thing, I have a mirror on the stick. Because when it's here, how do you read that clock gauge? You must lie on the floor.
yeah,
I have a mirror.
a mirror.
Yeah.
Yeah, I use a,
Like here. It's the
yeah.
same.
Yeah, yes, a mirror, a phone, and the best is to have another person. One mouse and the other one goes checking. Because if it's very bad, can turn one completely circle.
Yeah.
And then you have 1 point. One turn is 1 millimeter. So now we're gonna start turning for your side. So as we told before, to the left, to the right is negative, to the left is positive. Now slowly go down. Slowly go down, 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 continue. You can play with your continue. Down, more. Continue. Continue. Okay, stop. There, more or less, 90 degrees. How much is? To the left, move to the left. Yes. So it's positive. 31. Yes. And now the most important thing, we have to be sure that it's 31. So we have to come back again, put the clock here, up again, and the clock has to come back to the zero.
And if it
Here.
doesn't, if it does not go back to zero,
Means that maybe on the way this moves a little bit, or maybe this is not good tightened enough, or the clock is not good.
because it's not going to go back to zero. But
Eh?
it's not on zero.
It's in zero.
Is it?
See, yes. So now we write here 0. How much you say? 0.31. Okay. Now same, but down. Move. Continue. And continue. Getting more. Same side, positive side. More. How much is? It's more. 49. There. How much? 90. 0.9.
Yeah, 0.90.
Huh?
0.90.
Yes. Always moves to the same side, right?
Same side,
And
yes.
goes increasing till arrives.
0.90.
Okay. So it moves to the left side all the time, increasing till arrives here. Yes. So it's 0.9. Okay. So then now we up again to the clock here. More. Good. 0. Perfect. So down, 0 point right. 9. Just right. Now, this one. Here. 90 degrees. Slowly, going to the left side, so it's positive. Coming, more. More, stop. There, look, how much is?
That's the mirror.
A mirror or a good friend.
Yeah. This is my good friend, but he's not always there. Sometimes he's somewhere else.
Yeah.
And the man that they give you to help, if they give you can't trust him.
Yes. That's why sometimes it's better to tell to one of the guys, hey, move forward or back. When I tell you slowly, and you are the guy you have to check.